In this video, I will guide you on how to remove boost post on Facebook story. First thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app on your device. Here, you're going to find the option of boost post. Tap on that. This option allows you to promote your post by running ads. You can pay to increase views, reach, and engagement on your post or reels. The boost post option appears mainly on professional or business account. If you want to remove that, you will have to switch back to a personal account. So to do that, you want to tap on your profile icon over here, then tap on these three dots. Here you have the option of turn professional mode off. Tap on that, then tap on continue, then tap on turn off. Once you have turned off the professional mode, you want to close the Facebook application, then tap and hold on Facebook app. Now tap on the app info icon, which should take you to settings. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. If you know your login details, tap on clear data as well. Then head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now open Play Store. Here search for Facebook. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once you have done all of that, launch open Facebook, log into your account, and now boost post will be removed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.